Wikiprocedure.com welcomes you for another session on how to renew fire safety certificate in West Bengal. The link provided below here will help you in reaching our site wikiprocedure.com and the page West Bengal Renew Fire Safety Certificate. Here in this page we have given complete procedure along with information and instruction to understand this procedure in easy way. Also, you can find few links for external links and forms which are again going to be useful for completing the procedure. You will understand the importance of these links in the due course of our presentation. Please use the select language button which is provided on the top right corner of our page to get the list of languages to select from the drop down menu to understand this procedure in an easy way. List of items covered in this session: need to renew fire safety certificate, documents required, how to apply, eligibility, validity, fees, processing time, offices and contacts, online resources and other information. This procedure is sponsored by wikiprocedure.com for you. Let us see the need to renew fire safety certificate. See, fire safety certificate is a mandatory certificate for high-rise buildings like malls, schools, cinema halls, function halls, religious places where a large number of people gather. And in such cases of this type of building, we should have safety exit and other fire safety measures to safeguard the life of the general public. The one important such certificate is fire safety certificate, and once you got this fire certificate, it has to be renewed every year. And the people who are having these business like industrialists, owners and occupants of multi-story building, commercial complex, educational institutions, cracker manufacturers should follow the government norms in order to safeguard the safety of the general public. Business premises more than 500 square meters in plot area or 6 meters and above in height shall apply for a fire safety certificate. Fire license will be renewed from the same place where the application is received. Establishments which meets the required parameters and running without a fire license will have to face a legal action and penalty. Let us see the documents required for this application procedure. Application form for applying will be obtained from the fire station. Please use the link to reach the fire service station contacts, and also you can download the application form from the link provided here. I will show you both the links. The first one gives you fire station contact details, and second one link which will give you the direct access to the form which you need to download, print and complete it for applying. Valid fire safety certificate for renewal, valid fire recommendation certificate, 2 copies of site plan of the warehouse or workshop drawn to the scale of 1 centimeter equals to 1 meter, a statement showing the name and the maximum quantity of hazardous substances to be stored or processed in the unit, a statement showing the details of the safety measures available, building plan application form with the signature of the landowner and licensed surveyor, Aadhaar card of the applicant or the required documents. Let us see how to apply in person. Applicant may approach the office of Deputy Director of Fire Service to apply for this license. Following link provides contact link of such officials. So you can use this link to reach the page where you will be provided with the details of the senior officers of directorate with the contact numbers. You can communicate and go there for applying. As I said earlier, you can download the application form online for applying. Make sure that you have all the required documents to apply, because missing out one document your application stands rejected. Please confirm that you are eligible to apply. Applicant must submit the completed application along with all the required documents which is mentioned to the nearest fire station, or may be sent directly to the divisional fire officer who is stationed at every district headquarters. When you submit these application, they will accept with the advised fees as per the authorities. This application will be processed internally. Verification of a document will be carried out, and then inspection of the site and other scrutiny will be carried out, especially expiry of any of the stocks which mentioned will be taken care. If everything is in place upon satisfactory grounds, the license will be renewed. The renewed fire license will be issued by the divisional fire officer to the applicant directly, either at the fire station or at the divisional fire office upon notification. Note, grant or rejection of renewal of permit depends on the department's decision. Let us see how to apply through online. This is called type 1. Use the West Bengal government portal link here to reach the page for applying online. This is the IGIA Bangla page where you have to select the application for renewal of fire safety certificate. Once you click this option, you will get a screen to log in. If you have created your user ID already, you can use the same username and password. Otherwise you have to create the user login and password. Once you enter the details and enter the login page, you will be prompted to enter and select the prompted details to complete the procedure for renewal. You will also be required to upload the documents as applicable. Once all necessary actions are completed, please hit save button to view the completed details. If any error or mistake, if all are okay, please hit submit button to reach the dashboard. Once online applying is over, the application will be processed as per the how to apply in person procedure upon notification to give you a renewed fire safety certificate. There is another portal, e-service portal, which is another online option. We call it type 2. You can use this link to reach that page. This page will give you a list of options. So we are going for renewal of fire safety certificate. Click this option to reach the page, which is similar to the one which we logged in just now for the type 1. You have to follow the same procedure and same parameters to complete the online procedure, and therefore you will be directed to the how to apply in person position to complete this renewal. Applications can be filled online, and the printout of the duly filled application form along with the required documents can be sent by post, or it can be dropped in the drop boxes in the respective address. Eligibility: valid permit holder for those to carry out business and trading activities as listed under the West Bengal Fire and Rescue Services rules. Those proposing to construct multi-stories building, factories or industries manufacturing products, cinema halls, schools, hotels, cracker shops, stores, etc. In common, all the big manufacturing facilities or service providers or the place where public gather should have are eligible to apply for this. Fees as advised by the authorities, because it is calculated as per the area of the institutions. Validity: fire license expires in 1 year. Every 1 year you have to renew the license as per norms. After the fire safety preparedness with respect to private buildings and public buildings was inspected every 6 months, meaning every 6 months there will be an inspection to make sure that all the safety norms are monitored. There will be a register they will use to update it accordingly. Processing time: if your application is fair and complete, the processing time will be 60 working days. So apply renewal keeping in mind this renewal period. You have to get other documents, so that is why we claim keeping in mind. Offices and contacts: Fire Brigade Headquarters, Mirza Ghalib Street, Kolkata 16. Telephone, mobile, fax details are provided here for applicants, a clarification of doubts and any complaints. Contact link provided here, which we have already explained, give details of the information in relation to the officers concerned. Online resources: all these links provided here will give direct access to these websites which we have used here for completing the procedure. These information provided with the help of these websites are very much useful for completing the procedure, so we have provided these websites as link in appropriate places to save your valuable time. Other information: bigger buildings should have showers and sprinklers to wet the surface. Every floor should have 2 fire extinguishers. Number of fire extinguishers to go up depending on the area. Flame and smoke detectors are needed. Hope this video helped you, and don't forget to give us a like. Please click the subscribe to our channel button for more such videos. Thank you once again for visiting wikiprocedure.com to know how to renew fire safety certificate in West Bengal.